After some time, God created all of us, all the souls in this universe from His body through His word, and there we were present in a body made up of light. Our body is effulgent, made up of one element, that is light. In its veins, it's Shukram Akyam Asanaviram. Like our bodies is not made by semen, the one which is made by sexual intercourse of father and mother, in that there is no system of veins or blood vessels, it does not have vascular system. Similarly, God's body is like this. It is in the form, appears like humans, effulgent, but there is a difference in the radiance in our body and the God's body. There is difference in powers and in its brightness, its effulgence. The effulgence from one hair follicle of complete God, Kabir Dev Ji in Satlok, is more than the brightness of a total of 10 million suns and 10 million moons. And how is our body there? The remaining ones who are still living there, how is their body? And when God created us from His word, how was our body at that time? It was like human in appearance and had effulgence equivalent to 16 suns. Our body had effulgence equal to 16 suns, just like the sun here, but without the heat. We all started living there, and there was no difficulty there. There was no shortage or scarcity. There was no old age and death. There was no birth and death. And no one gets old there. Now pious souls, give it a thought. We are so sorrowful here, but still we think we do not want to die when we know that we will die. It is a rule here, yet we do not wish to die. What is the reason for this? We lived at a place where there was no death, because of which we do not like to die, and it is perfectly correct. Why were we born, and then why do we die? We spend a good 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 years to build a home, and then we don't get to live in it. The Lord here kills you within a minute. So there was no old age and death. No one likes to get old. Everyone thinks that I should look young. And these ministers get a surgery done, put makeup, but till when will you do this? It will get fused in 10 years. So the point of saying this is, it is in our nature that we look youthful. But here everything is artificial. And there was the original. And we used to live there like that. After a few days, their days are not there. We use days just for reference. There is no day or night there. That world is effulgent. People are effulgent and God is effulgent. Sun does not rise or set there. So after some time, this Jyoti Niranjan, who is called Kshar Purush, also called Kshar Brahm, in Gita Ji, who identifies himself as devil, he is Brahm, who talks after possessing Sri Krishna Ji. I will tell the history and will give you the full detail. Listen to this story with patience, because the first time listeners might find it weird. But after some time, when you will see the evidence, you will have to accept it, and you will accept it.